When I was a kid, I asked the grown-ups what the pagoda was for. And they told me that it was built to ward off floods and evil spirits. This ancient pagoda sits right on Jialing Hill in Conghua, just 3.6 kilometers away from my home. It was first built back in 1619 during the Ming Dynasty.
Hey guys, this is my third video. Such a nice way to stay. I'm gonna check out a spot that's super close to my place. Yeah, so come along with me. Let's go.
It was called the Wenfeng Pagoda, and it was built under the direction of the county magistrate at the time, Zhang Dechun. Later, the original pagoda was destroyed. Then, in 1693, during the Qing Dynasty, Magistrate Guo Yuxi donated funds to rebuild it into the 7-story pagoda. And after that, it became known as Jialing Pagoda Reflection and was listed as one of the 6 scenic views of Conghua. Unfortunately, during the War of Resistance against Japan, this ancient and poorly maintained pagoda was bombed and destroyed by Japanese forces.
Wenfeng Pagoda has been destroyed twice and rebuilt twice. What stands in front of us now is the pagoda that rose again in 1993.
Its octagonal 9-story structure carries the auspicious meaning of attracting fortune from all directions and ensuring lasting prosperity. Each tier is covered with glaze tiles and hung with wind charms. Visitors can now climb the stairs to the viewing platform and overlook the magnificent confluence of the 3 rivers.
Right next to it, you'll find the Lantian rebuilt ancient temple. It's the Taoist temple dedicated to Zhenwu Emperor from Wujiang Mountain. A lot of people come here to pray for their success in their studies and careers.
Like the pagoda, it was destroyed during the war and rebuilt in the early 1990s through community efforts.
It is an ancient pagoda and temple, yet it is so much more than that. It's a faith that has been raised up time and again. So that's all for this video. If you like this, please ensure to follow, hit the like button, and drop your comments below. Hope to see you guys in Conghua soon. Bye!